Hey, Bob Carr here with TLC. All right, let me ask you something. If you have a sprinkler system at home, do you actually know what's going on with it? Most homeowners don't, and that's where the problems start. It's not the system that usually fails. It's what happens after it's installed. Settings drift, weather changes, heads clog, pressure shifts, water pressure that is. Before you know it, you've got dry spots in one area, soggy spots in another, and a water bill that makes absolutely no sense. And I know some of you are going to be snarky if you don't have domestic water and you're on a well, but yes, you do have expense. You have the electric goes with the well, wear and tear in the well, the salt, if you're running clean water out on your lawn. So anyway, it's always somebody wants to be snarky, that they don't have a water bill. Yes, we all have water bills. It just depends on what sense if you want to think about that. Anyway, getting out in the weeds on that. Back on track. Today, there's a better way to manage all this, and it's called a Hydrawise smart controller. This system connects directly to your phone, so you can turn your sprinklers on and off from anywhere. You can adjust your schedules, and you can see exactly what your system is doing in real time. Sounds great, right? But here's what most people don't realize. Just because you can control it doesn't mean you should be the one managing it. That's where we come in. At TLC, we offer a Hydrawise monitoring program where we can actually watch your system for you, not just install it and walk away, but manage it month after month for you. For just $15 a month or $180 a year, we can log into your system anytime from our office. We can adjust your settings, fine-tune your watering, and make sure everything is running the way it should. And here's where it really gets powerful. If something goes wrong, we'll know about it. Broken head, leak in the line, zone not running right, we get alerts. And we don't just notify you and walk away. We take action. We'll contact you. In most cases, we can dispatch a technician within 24 hours. Actually, usually it's the same day, or if it's late in the afternoon, that evening, it'll be the next day. But instead of a small issue turning into a big repair, we catch it early. Over time, this means your lawn looks better, your system runs efficiently, and you avoid overwatering, which leads to less fungus, less mowing, and less wasted water. In most cases, homeowners actually lower their water bills. Now, let me be straight with you. This isn't for everyone. If you enjoy adjusting your own controller, troubleshooting issues, you may not need us. A lot of people want to tinker around with stuff themselves. But if you want your system to work without thinking about it, this is one of the most smartest upgrades you can make. After more than 40 years doing this, I can tell you the systems that perform best long-term are ones that are properly managed. That's exactly what we do here at TLC. So if you already have a smart controller, Hydrawise. So if you already have a Hydrawise smart controller, looking at my notes here, or you're just thinking about upgrading, let's take it one step further. Let us monitor it, catch problems early, and keep your system running the way it should. Because when your irrigation system is right, everything outside your home gets a whole lot easier. TLC Incorporated. We've been helping people here in Crofton, Severna Park, Annapolis, and surrounding Maryland areas for over 40 years. Let's take care of it for you. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me or anybody here at the office, 410-721-2342, or hit the link below for more information. And we'll talk to you soon. Thank you.